guys, so today's video I'll be talking about two products that I received from Althea, and they're both from a company called Dear Claire's. Now Dear Claire's is a Korean based company, so this is K-Beauty products. So the first one is a supple preparation facial toner. So this is just a travel size. There is a size that's way larger than this, probably about 3 times the size of this. But I've been trying both products for a whole week and I've been loving it. The Supple Preparation Facial Toner preps your skin by removing excess dirt and sebum, and it also restores the pH balance in your skin. The amino acids in this toner reduces irritation and provides deep hydration. Now onto the second product. The second product by Dear Claire's is the Midnight Blue Youth Activating Drops. This Midnight Blue Youth Activating Drops is an intensive EGF peptide treatment that adds radiance and luminosity to your skin. It stimulates your skin to improve collagen production, and it helps with the elasticity of your skin, pigmentation, and it helps reduce fine lines and wrinkles. Both these products you can use in your AM or PM regimen. I prefer using it in my PM regimen, so stay tuned. I'm going to show you how I've been using it. On a Dear Claire's Toner Mate 2-in-1 cotton pad, which by the way you can get on the Althea website. It's a wonderful cotton pad, not like any other I've ever tried. I dropped 3 drops of the Supple Preparation Facial Toner onto it, which by the way has a kind of a smooth creamy texture to it, and also has a light fragrance of, it reminds me of tea tree oil, which I really like. Then I go ahead and smooth it all over my face, including my neck area. For full absorption, I go ahead and pat in gently all of the areas that I put the product on. Next, I go ahead and put on the Midnight Blue Youth Activating Drops. It has a pretty light blue color to it, and the texture is pretty watery, so I like to put it in the palm of my hand. You can also use the dropper directly onto your skin if you want to, but for me, I like it on the palm of my hand just because of the watery texture. I've been using about 4 to 5 drops. Then I go ahead and smooth it into my skin, including my neck area. And then again, for full absorption, I like to pat it gently into my skin. So that's how I've been using the Dear Claire's Supple Preparation Facial Toner and the Midnight Blue Youth Activating Drops. I'll go ahead and put direct links onto the Althea website so you can get your hands on these two wonderful products. So please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Till next time, bye!